Hola beautiful people, it's me, PennyQueen, and I'm back with another video. I know y'all tired of hearing that because I'm tired of saying it, but I am back and it's a new video. So let's get into this. I ordered some goodies, okay? Some goodies. When I say some goodies, some real good goodies from Amazon here. And I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I ordered 2 sets of hair. Like I ordered 4 bundles in the closure, another set of 4 bundles in the closure, so I can get these 2 wigs popping. Because, you know, the summer is about to come. Well, I skipped the whole season. You know, the springtime. But anyway, I got some hair, and I'm ready to be cute, okay, for this good weather that's fitting to come. So, I wanted to unbox the hair that I got. But I'm going to do 2 separate videos. I'm going to do 1 set of hair today. And then on another video, you'll see the other hair. So, you got to stay tuned, okay? So let's jump into the goodies I got. First up, I ordered some wig caps. You know, these wig caps, this is what you use to make your wig. If you don't know, this is what it is. You know, make your own wig. It lets you know, even on the joint, they got the mesh. Now, I used to use kid dome caps to make my wigs, but recently I've been using these because the band on these are like thicker. When I get another kid's dome cap, I'll show you the difference. The band that goes around here is a lot thicker on these than the kid dome caps, because I got a little peanut. It might look big, you know, because of the hair and all, but I got a tiny head. But I like these. I also picked up this. You see this? Thread. Do you see? Let me open this for y'all, because I'm going to open this for y'all. You see all this thread? And it's the nylon. Like, you can't go wrong with this. I'll have the prices of everything in the description box. I think this was like $9. But you can't beat this. This will make me at least 8 wigs. Okay? Get into it. Oh, with the hair, it comes with the little needle and with the thread. It gives you some needles. It gives you 3 needles with the thread. You can't beat that either. Something else I picked up was these. This is, I didn't open it yet, but this is about, I think this came with 9 C-shaped hooks to do the threads. Now, I'm not, you know, I like to pre-thread like 10 needles when I'm making a wig, so I don't have to keep doing it. That's the most tedious part about making a wig, is threading these needles. So you should always get you as many as possible so that it don't take that long. You know, you can go ahead and get through it. And you got it. All right, let's get into the real deal here. The real deal. Bam. You see this? 2 hair. Straight hair, curly hair. Now, I told you in this video, I'm only going to do a review, an unboxing of one of these. And the curly hair is the hair I want to make first. So that's the hair we're going to do today. Check it. The boxing is, this packaging is great. Now, this came from Amazon. Who knew Amazon sold bundles? I'm sure y'all probably knew, but I didn't know. So this is my first time getting Amazon hair. But this says hair in your own hair. Hair, not quite, I guess it's supposed to feel like it's your own hair. I guess that's what that means. Not quite sure about that. Again, it says hair in your own hair. Now, I'm unboxing this with y'all, so this is the first time I'm seeing this. I thought that was hard. Huh. They gave me a card in this little box. Like this. You know, all the China companies give you their lashes, which I probably won't wear these. They gave me a card. Okay, I'm not reading this. But do you see this? It's a long letter. Now this hair that I purchased is water wave hair. I ordered 4 bundles and a closure in this. This is the closure. Let's take this out of the package. Okay, the knots on this do not seem to be bleached, I guess. It's just, I guess the lace is tinted. But look at these curls, honey. Uh-oh. Whoa. This is the closure, and I'm running my fingers through it. Now it's curly hair, and they say curly hair sheds more than straight hair, but I'm getting alarmed because that was the closure, and this is how much shedding I got from it so far. Like, you see that? Look at all that. That's a lot of strands just from the closure. And the closure is a 16-inch. So if this is 16 inches, she about to be, yay. Turn it. Now, these are the rest of the bundles. You know, I mean, has water wave on it. Tells you the length at the top. Now with these, I ordered 220s and 222s. So 220s, 222s, and a 16-inch closure. Yo, like, do you see this? Like the curl. The curl on this is beautiful. The curl pattern on this is called water wave. Like, this is a water wave. Like, look at that. Now, this is the part where people be like, oh, look, there's no shedding. There's no shedding. I got 0 to no strands, right? But let me let you know, let me let you in on a little secret, right? The hair is packaged really tight right here, right? So there's really no shedding because it's so packaged so tight that the hair that is shedding is so in here that you're not going to get any shedding. So I don't want to hear there's no shedding until you take the tape off. Seriously. So let's really get into it. Took it off. Yeah, just right here. So I took this plastic off and look, shedding. Do you see those hairs? Do you see those hairs? This, the shedding on just the twisty part. So like I said, it's not going to shed when it's wrapped. That's not what it do because it's too tight. This is when you have to undo it, unwrap it. That's when you get the shedding. So let me unwrap this a little bit, fold it up so I can keep it together. Then you run your fingers through it. Let me see. Now, I'm not really getting any shedding. I'm not getting nearly as much shedding as I got with that closure. Do you see this? This is beautiful. Now, this is the shedding that I got. Now, that's not really a lot. Mind you, this is 22 inches. So the hair is long. So when you wrap it up, you know, it's longer. So it's going to look like more. But I didn't get a lot of shedding. And look at this. This is 22 inches. curly. Not even stretched out. Then I stretch it out. Get it. So, you see that it's minimum to no shedding. Minimum to no shedding. Alright, next test, we're going to get out the measuring tape. I want to make sure this is really 22 inches. Alright, I'm back with some better lighting. So, we're about to get into measuring this hair, right? Got my measuring tape. So this hair sheds little, true to length, thick from root to tips, as you can see. Like, do you see how thick this is? This is just one bundle. I bought 4. This is one bundle. Do you see these curls? All right, one more test. I guess the test would be, will this hair straighten? Do you think this hair will straighten? And will it revert back? Okay, now this is the hair after I have straightened it and curled it. Now, it doesn't necessarily look like this anymore. I'm not sure if it's because it's wet. I mean, the ends, as you can see, the ends of it still has the curl. But, oh, see, it's reverting back. Oh, definitely. This is in the bag. See that? It just had to dry. Curls, back intact. Just had to dry a little bit. There it is. Okay. Okay. Let me find out. Now, we doing all this with this bundle of hair. Let's try to see if it sheds now. Because, you know, I'm trying to tell you, when you first get the hair, you be like, oh, it don't shed. And then next thing you know, you do all this work to it and you got a whole puddle of hair on the floor. I literally got about 3 strands, about 8. Can't even see it, it's a little bit of strands. So I straightened it, wet it, took the bundle apart, tried to see if it was going to shed, still didn't shed. It reverted back after I flat ironed it. So right now, I'm giving this hair definitely a 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10. Now it is thick from root to end, but the ends are kind of untamed here. As you can see, it's like a little bushy. Now, I know all I gotta do is add some moisturizer to that and this would be good to go. But that's why I said a 9 out of 10. Because a 10 out of 10, these ends will be already done, okay? And some of this I'll probably snip it just to give it a little bit more full look. But this hair is, do you see the curls? Do you see the curls on that? Look at that. So that about wraps up this video. I'm about to go seal my wefts. I mean, I'm pretty sure Y'all ain't heard that in a while, but I still do seal some of my wefts. Being as though this is curly hair and it probably, you know, gonna shed a little bit more than straight hair does, I definitely want to seal at least the bottom 2 bundles, if not all 4. I'm at least gonna seal those to get it, you know, nice and secure. The less the shedding, the better, right? All right, see you in the next one.